Alright guys, we are ready to hit the road. It's early in the morning. I should have left earlier. Where are we going? We're going to ride west to Missouri in one day. One day. Our way to Missouri. Oh, I can't believe it. The good thing about this bike, it's probably the most comfortable bike for that sort of thing. You have cruise control, even though I don't know how to use it. You have all the creature comforts. And I'm just going to stay there in Missouri, sleep there. Hopefully I'll get there in a day. My gas light is on, but I still got some gas. It's too early for the gas station next to my home to be on. So those lazy bastards are not there. So I'm going to have to fill up ahead. First fill up of the day, right in the morning. Ah, boy, let's see how much it is. And 18 bucks. Wow, that's so expensive. This is why I like scooters. Well, I was hoping for some dry pavement, but it looks like it's all wet. Hopefully it's going to dry up. Look at this. I have a motorcycle passing. Look at this guy. Oh man. I am 792 miles in. Lots of police on the road. I've passed already 3 cops in a short amount. I'm at 792 and I'm in Frederick, Maryland. It's not looking good here. Lots of rain, lots of crazy police on the road. I don't like this. I don't like it. It looks like the sun is coming out. This is Williamsport. This is where I bought the Honda Goldwing GL1800. It was right here, and then I rode it home.
You in Tennessee are always on my mind. Mama, every Saturday.
Welcome to Cumberland, Maryland. You know, I actually like this little town, and I bicycled to this town numerous times from DC on the C&O towpath. It's a really beautiful town, but it's got some issues with homelessness and super poor people. Yeah, you know, it's one of these towns, but it's beautiful. Great buildings. If you're looking to buy a home, you could buy a home around here for less than $100,000. Frostburg, you can see that the temperature is 73. It feels nice and cool here. Finally, some relief. But I assume it's just going to get super hot. We might get some storms. We're going right up to the fog. Whoa, here we come. Our first state. West Virginia. Look at this. Wild and wonderful. And we have, what? How many miles to go? Welcome to West Virginia. Alright, I got it. 657 miles to go. Nice. Looks like there's a little bit of rain and some storms here in West Virginia. A few sprinkles falling down. Hopefully that's all. Oh man, it looks like we're going right into a storm right before Morgantown. We are arriving in Morgantown, West Virginia. And I'm at 207 miles. I'm almost at E. I'm going to fill up pretty soon. One of the things that's happening on this bike is that the windscreen is at the highest point, and it's so hard to get like some wind into you so you can breathe better. I want to see if I can fix that. I've not been able to push it down. Okay, second fill up of the trip here in Morgantown, West Virginia. I'm on E. Lodging, food, gas. I think this is where Z Cycles is, or Z Motors. Oh boy, gotta stretch it out a little bit. Even though I'm like pretty comfortable on this bike, that's not bad. 39 miles to the gallon, 39.39 miles to the gallon at 220. So we're gonna reset this, and we're gonna get started. Just start heading back out. All right, we are in Pennsylvania. I guess Morgantown is right next to Pennsylvania. And we have, let's see how many miles, 613 miles. You know, psychologically, when it hits like 500 and then 400 and then 200, that's going to be good. Then it's like approachable. we're back in West Virginia. We have 557 miles to go. For your amusement, look at this. I have a pickup truck holding everybody up. The tarp in the back is flapping in the wind. The guy doesn't have the dignity to move to the right-hand lane so everybody else can pass. The Ohio River we're crossing. Hey, Ohio! Nice. Oh man, I haven't been here in ages. I heard Ohio is very nice. Alright, I'm gonna take another rest here at the rest stop. Go to the bathroom. Ooh, it's pretty comfortable, but I'm not used to doing long miles. I haven't done long miles in a while. The thing that bothers me right now is my feet are boiling hot and the windscreen is so high up, I can't get it down. I can't get any like fresh airflow, and it is getting a little hotter. So let's pull into here. Let's take a little break and drink some water, go to the bathroom. In Ohio, there's a lot of riders here. There's another guy coming up from the left lane. But I'm seeing like riders on the highway. And you know what, around my area, I don't think people are very hardcore. I think only scooter riders from Latin America are hardcore. Everybody else just, it's one of those lifestyle things like Ford 150s that never see any work. But here in Ohio, man, we are starting to see the big boys riding. Is this a Goldwing coming up? I'm curious. Let's slow down. Let's see what. Yeah, 1500 Goldwing 1500. Look at him. That's the big boy. That's bigger than this one. Approaching Columbus, Ohio. Hey, buddy. No helmet law. Look at that. He's an iron border. Nice. Iron border. Here we go. This is Columbus, Ohio. Got my reserve light on. I'm going to pull over here, take a little bit of a break and fill up. I'm going to try riding without gloves for a bit. This is the cheapest gas I've found here. $2.99. I filled up with $17 at about 5 gallons. Just look how bad this road is. All of these bumps. I'm hoping that this is part of the construction, but that's crazy. It's so bumpy. And people drive on the left lane, including truckers. Truckers are just holding up the left lane. Look at this. A car honked at me because my thing popped open. This thing popped open. The roads in Indiana are so terrible. Indiana. Terrible roads and even worse weather. Look at this. The phone away here for the rain. Another rainstorm. So far I can still see the car in front of me. Oh my god, it's starting again. You can't see the car up ahead because of this stupid thing. Yeah, I can see it over the windscreen, but okay, I hold out here at this rest stop for a little bit. I can barely see anything over the stupid windscreen. Oh, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Oh, good. A little sore.
A little warm out. I only got sprinkled on a couple times.
How's it going?
Chase.
Damage, right?
Yeah, that was the damage. Something, but I mean, other than that, she's not bad.
is, I did 850 miles on it back. The Goldwing was much more comfortable going there, but let's look around it. So the big damage, superficial damage, is the plastic. This front, I don't know how he did that. This must have been an off-road type of fall, but I should have been smarter about this, because I realized there's something odd with the front. And then as I started riding, I realized right away that it's not absolutely straight. So this could mean a few things. Could be fork damage, frame damage, and so I'm not sure yet. So it's actually kind of like a little bit like this. The handlebars are a little bit, but I think I can loosen the triple tree and see if I can correct it that way. But I don't see any other damage, but that is annoying because the bike tracks to the right. If you let go of the handlebars instead of like staying upright, it just starts to go this way. And it's not the tires. The tires are worn, they're cupped. That just creates a lot of noise and bumpiness to the ride, but there's like something pulling the bike to the right. And yeah, here's another thing that's suspicious, this plastic that they put on it. You told me that they worked on the forks. I'm imagining the fork seals, but unsure about that. The oil filter is there. There's no bash plate. I was wondering, like, doesn't it have a bash plate stock? That's rather odd. So this is the dual clutch transmission, DCT, like the NC750 that I have. And I also have this missing. The tank is okay shape. There's some scratches. Needs a good shower. Comes with these Zega Pro Touratech cases. I think they're, the front end is what really bothers me. But the bike itself is pretty cool looking. It's the more boring silver color. I don't like it as much. You know, the blue, white, and red is the color to get. But so I'm thinking about just, instead of replacing the plastic, which is expensive, I think I'm going to fix the plastic and then get a, maybe like a skin, you know, like one of those vinyl covers, and just kind of do the entire bike in red, white, and blue. I don't know yet, or I might make it like my Honda Africa Twin in Europe, that same 80s style graphic. But yeah, the bike did really well mechanically. The engine is strong, transmission is smooth. This one's got ABS. Like, it's a good bike. It's just a little bit more problems than I thought in the beginning. Alright guys, hit like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.